Haven't had any breakfast yet, Vin. We've had a...
Coming in, boss. Show me what you got.
Coffee with oat milk Americano, large.
We are a strong team and we are professional.
Please like and subscribe. Ready for the next one.
Not every day you get to clean an aeroplane hangar. We're up here on this commercial building roof, and today we'll be tasked with cleaning the roof. And basically why we're cleaning it, some people might think, why are you cleaning it? It's just going to get dirty again. Well, the end client had a FRI lease. So an FRI lease, if you're into commercial property, you definitely have heard of it before. It's a full repairing and fully insuring lease. So that basically means when the tenant comes to the end of their tenancy, they have to give the property back exactly like they found it. So in this case, it means cleaning every bit of cladding and even repainting the cladding. So after we give this a quick clean to remove the algae and any dust and stuff and any loose flaky paint, then the painters are coming in after us to repaint. So pretty cool job. We cleaned some of the apron earlier, we cleaned all the cladding around, and when the company installed the Mansafe system, we done the Mansafe training up here, and now we're tearing into this roof. So I thought I'd quickly talk you through some of the equipment that we're using today. So the main pieces of equipment that we're using are a full body harness, a rope grab, a 30-meter rope, a carabiner, and this is the travelling device, which is actually designed for this specific Mansafe system. So this is the Mansafe system, and it's basically a safety cable with anchorage points that's run along the roof where we can attach to it, and it helps restrain a fall. So if we were to slip and fall, then this would grab us and we wouldn't end up going down the roof. So nice little bit of kit, very simple. We move that forward, then I can move back as I want to. And what we're doing today, you can see that the guys have already started cleaning this area, and over there, I don't know if you can see the different colour, you might see it better over here where it's all the algae on the roof. So the painters can't paint over that, so we need to get all the algae off first, and any loose flaky paint as well, and this sort of moss and stuff, so that the painters can do a decent job. So let's take a little walk across the ridge of the roof and I'll show you what's so good about these little travelling devices. So do you see how I'm able to go across this point here, even though it's got a fixed point there? If I was attached with just a lanyard, for example, then I wouldn't be able to go past this point. So you can see it's getting blocked there. So that's what's really good about the travelling device. It's actually made for this specific type of system, and it's actually one of the most expensive parts of kit out of the whole kit, believe it or not. This costs several £100, just this little piece of metal. So I'll take it apart and show you exactly how it works. So here's the little travelling device, and it's very clever the way it's made. Once it's clipped onto the cable, it's not coming off unless you physically come up, press that little button and flick that down. So if we attach that, we've got to make sure that that's clipped on, and now it can't come off. To move backwards, I have to put this bit forward, and you have to be in control. But if I don't, you can see how it restrains my fall, or arrests my fall. That's why I called a fall arrest system. Aaron's our new signing that's come over. How long have you been here now? Over a month?
Yeah, just over a month, 5 weeks. Yeah.
You enjoying it?
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, it's good company.
So it's been quite a wide, diverse range of jobs so far.
I have. You've got me going all around the country, mate. Yeah, it seems that way anyway.
I've been hearing through the grapevine your performance has been pretty good.
You've come to check up on me today. That's what it is.
I've come to show him how it's meant to be done today. Just to show him quickly how.
The boss knows how it's done
10 years
properly.
experience. This is what you can do after 10 years.
Coming in, boss. Show me what you got.
I'm just going to show you as the planes go past in the background. Just going to show you a quick sample. You can see all the algae and how the roof's all black and slippery at the moment. But we're going to give it a clean to remove all that algae, remove any moss, and get it ready for the painters. Difference here, all the algae and black spot and all the lichen and moss growing on the roof from over years and years. And we've just given it a quick blast off to get it ready for the painters who are going to recoat this after us. What do you reckon of the gaffer? Good little
He's missed a little bit there, but it's good work, good work. It took him about 10 minutes to do a little patch, but he's good, he's good.
Get on there, let me get the superstar.
Oh, don't. This is where I fall over.
Let's see what
Did you want me to finish off your work for you? Is that what you wanted me to do?
I want to see the tech as the superstar side.
You got me all nervous on camera now, mate. I don't like it.
I'll tell you what I like about this new signing, Aaron, is the pace, is the speed. This isn't sped up, this is real time. This ain't a time lapse, this is real time. Look at this guy. The speed, he's an animal, he's like a man possessed.
Very busy today. It's a Friday. I wait for a long weekend. Everything is good at the moment. Let's see in afternoon how will be. I think so we'll be very tired. It's so windy here. It's a little bit cold, but we are a strong team and we are professional. We need to do something good. Stay here and watch our transformation.
So not every day you get to clean an aeroplane hangar. Really nice job for us. We should get it all done, the whole roof, in another 5-6 days, we reckon. And we're on the lookout for more big commercial buildings that we can clean. Let's see if we can beat an aeroplane hangar. Let's see what's next in store for LBC. Looking out for FRI, so full repairing and insuring leases. So any big tenants, any big multinational companies that are moving out of their building that need to give it back in nice, clean condition, then yeah, please get in touch. We'd be happy to help. Let's see if we can do a bigger job than this. So I'm going to leave you in the capable hands of Aaron, who's flying through it. I think he's after a raise the rate he's working, and Dimitri, who's found a nice easy way for him to do it today. I'll leave you in their hands. I'm going to shoot off. I've got to look at a commercial gutter clean in East London. So stay tuned. If you've got any questions, please leave them below. And please make sure to subscribe and give the thumbs up.
Good day's work from the team. hard graft up here on the roof, very windy. As you can see there, that's the dirty side and that is the clean side. So big difference, but it's all just to clean up so the painters can come in and paint over. So good job. Let's catch up with Aaron and sign off. Oh, and there's another plane taking off.
Thanks for watching the roof clean at Gatwick Airport today. We have a beautiful view behind us, but obviously our jet washing beats the views. If you'd like and subscribe and follow us on the next video. Thank you.